Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to scan Windows computer by using CMD. So this command will scan a computer, the whole file system of the computer, in order to check for some errors and fix them. Why should we use this command to scan computer by using CMD? First point, possible there is malware or virus invasion in Windows file system. Second point, possible there is corruption of some file in Windows file system. Third point, possible your computer is stacking. Fourth point, possible computer is very slow. So this is why you can scan your computer, Windows computer, by using sfc/scan now. So to run this command we need to use CMD. On search bar write CMD, run as administrator, yes, then write sfc scan now. Then after, this command will scan the whole file system of the computer, and if there is any problem, it will repair those problems. Here it says that there is a system repair pending which require reboot to complete, restart Windows and run CFC again. So it rejected to scan this computer because I used this command and I terminated it. But for you it will start to scan your computer by using percentage from 0% up to 100%, and if there is any issue, Windows will repair them automatically. So this is the end of this video on how to scan a computer by using CMD. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment and subscribe for next video update. See you again in the next videos.